Hello folks, Simon here, and today I am reviewing the Joseph Tota Pop 60 litre laundry hamper. And I will say straight from the get-go that my wife and I purchased this, so it is not a sponsored video. It is in fact the second laundry hamper we purchased from Joseph. We also have the larger 90 litre one. We've got a big family, and we were just so impressed with it after about a year that we decided to take the plunge with this one as well. So there are a couple of points that make this laundry hamper not quite perfect, which I will talk about later. But first of all, let's go over the good. So straight off the bat, this is a Joseph product, so you know it's going to be good quality, and it is. I can tell you from experience with our previous laundry hamper, which we are still using, that there isn't a mark on it. All of the handles, the fabric, it's all in one piece. There is no visible fraying. These things are built to last. So the fabric, it is not thin, it does feel very robust, and the lid and the handle here we really like. They do have a silicone type feel to them. My wife in particular really loves the design of this hamper. It works very well in our bathroom, although it is suitable for pretty much any room you would want to put your laundry basket in. And features wise, the big thing here is the fact that it has two compartments. So gone are the days of having to lug around the entire laundry hamper. Now you can just take out the tote style bags. There are two of them, one for each compartment, whenever they are full, and it just makes the whole laundry process so much easier. And obviously you can split those two compartments however you like. Kids, adults, towels, clothes, whatever you want, the choice is yours. The point is, this is a super convenient hamper. But as I say, nothing in life is perfect, and there are a couple of things that I do want you to be aware of here. First of all, I guess a bit of a con is the fact that this isn't cheap. You can certainly spend a lot less on laundry hampers if you wish. However, I do feel, based on our own experience, that you will be buying laundry hampers less often by getting the Joseph one, as it is built to last, so it's a bit of an investment. But secondly, these hampers are a bit frustrating to assemble, if I'm honest with you. When they first come out of the box, there's a lot of fiddling in order to get this set up. Now, the good news is, of course, it's only a one-time process. Once it's done, it is done. But while you are assembling, just be prepared to have a little bit of patience. And yeah, it will come together in the end, but it is a bit annoying. Now, the third little bit of a negative, which is more of a tip for you really, is this is rated for 60 litres, which is 30 litres per compartment. Don't overfill it, okay? It will handle the weight and it won't get damaged, but we have noticed if they are overfilled, you know, if you don't stay on top of the washing, which we're all guilty of, then when you try and remove the bags, they do tend to be a little bit troublesome. They've puffed out in the actual hamper itself, so they can take a bit of force to get out. Sometimes even trying to find the handles, if they're overfilled on each of the bags, can be a fun game in and of itself. But as long as you're not overfilling it, then none of that will be a problem, but it is something I want you to be aware of. But despite those few points at the end there, I do want to make clear that these Joseph Tota hampers are quite simply the best laundry baskets we have ever used. My wife absolutely loves them. She could never go back now to anything that isn't a Joseph. We're really happy with them, so thank you for watching the video. I hope it's helped.